Today we're making a wrap knot, which is the perfect way to gather any strings that you have together. Now take a long piece of string and create a loop. This loop should represent roughly how long you want it to be as well. Pick up all the strings, so the strings and the loop that you've just created, and wrap around all the strings continually. Now you want the wrap to be really nice and neat, so line it up with the previous string and just keep wrapping it around. Wrap it until you have it as long as you would desire it to be. Then you should have a hoop at the end, plus your tail. Now you want to put the tail through the hoop and just hold it in place. Go to the other end, the starting point, and pull this end string really gently, and you're pulling the hoop through the tube that you've created, just until the hoop is securely hidden. Get a scissors and cut away the tail. Now to really hide that end, you pull the top string again, just to get him tucked inside as well, so it's really nice and neat. Get your scissors again and cut the top string away. You want it to be really close to the string, and that gets rid of the top end. And then you should have a really nice, neat gathering knot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more craft tutorials.